The Fairfax County Department of Vehicle Services is going the extra mile to protect employees and residents by cleaning and disinfecting every county vehicle that comes in for maintenance and each vehicle in the county motor pool fleet after use. The advanced new system sanitizes the interior and ventilation system of the vehicle with a fog of 2 safe, non-toxic chemicals that form a protective antimicrobial layer on internal surfaces, mitigating the threat of coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 and other contagions. With this new line of defense and the personal sanitary precautions of drivers, county vehicles will be cleaner than ever, and that's good for employees and the residents they serve. The new cleaning and disinfecting protocol is another way Fairfax County is fighting the spread of COVID-19 and making life in the county a little bit better for all.